Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Jayesh Naik and these are my friends Shubham and Pranit. We are from KC College of Engineering and we are working on this WSN project titled Flood Monitoring and Alert System. So, as we know, flood is one of the common natural disaster and there have been a lot of floods happened in the past and in past. Some of the recent floods were seen in the states like Kerala, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and many more in the recent year of 2019. Now, there are a lot of victims in these disasters, and these victims are around have around 1900 families and they were relocated to the nearest shelter. Now most of the victims are not aware of the upcoming flood disaster and there is no specific flood monitoring and alert system installed in this region. Some of the cases the victims have already been warned by the authority on the flood disaster, but due to the lack of the detailed information on the flood scenario, the time flood begin and fully flooded. Now, the flood monitoring system in Malaysia uses a telemetry system that measures the water level and values, and upload the data at a specific web page. This method requires an internet connection to upload the values, and it is not suitable for developing countries like Malaysia due to the excessive cost to build and implement the system throughout the country. Now the objective behind this project is, and the first objective is to develop the low cost wireless sensor network prototype, which consists of sensors, transceivers, and computational device. The second is to test and validate the working of the build system. And the third is to measure the flooding parameters such as the rainfall, temperature, water level in the field test of the different regions. Now, further, the requirements and the working will be explained by the Peshwa Shubham Shavratkar.
Okay, this is the requirements. These are the basic requirements we use in these projects. The first one is a microcontroller. The microcontroller is a compound of microchip which are able to do read, write, store information by having the memory and can take the input to synthesize or produce output. At all these parts are in one board, which is the Arduino shown in this figure. These are the basic sensor we use in this project. Sensor are crucial in measuring the fluid parameters. The sensor use are ultrasonic sensor, temperature sensor, and the water flow sensor. Okay, and these are the wireless data transfer requirements we use in this project. The first one is the GSM module. The GSM module data need to transfer quickly and wirelessly. In this project, the wireless system use are the Zigbee module and the GSM module. The next one is the Zigbee module. The system use Zigbee module in this figure, the medium to transfer the data from one node to another. This module use simple communication between the microcontroller and computer. The system can be set up whether to use the point-to-point or multi-point networks. Okay, then working. Two experiments were conducted in this project. The first experiment was done in indoor environment, and second is the system implementation in outdoor. Okay, in indoor testing, in indoor experiment, three experiments were done, which are the ultrasonic sensor, a temperature sensor, and the water flow sensor. The first one is a water level via ultrasonic sensor. The purpose of the experiments is to check the correction of the coding, the test of operation of the sensor. The code operates well with the hardware and the output result is a display on the serial monitor on the Arduino software. Okay, the second one is a temperature via temperature sensor. The temperature sensor was coded to produce an output. The experiment was performed to test whether the sensor is compatible with the code. Okay, the next one is the water flow sensor testing. The water flow sensor was operating and the water was passed through the sensor through the tube. The reading then being recorded and displayed on the serial monitor. The next experiment was the outdoor sensor testing. The experiment is done in real life situation to observe the behavior of the sensors. Um, First one is a water flow sensor. Some additional part need to be modified at the original water flow sensor to make sure the wire does not immerse in the water. The second one is a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor can be used easily anywhere without any major modification to the sensor as long as the connection is correct and the equipped with power supply. Third one is the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor must be used on a dry place. It's because whenever the sensor made contact with the water or liquid, it will be the malfunction. Okay, I would like to call Pranit to explain the further application and conclusion.
Now the applications of our project are the following. The build system must be efficient in decision making and is able to detect or predict the disaster correctly and reliable. The overview of most of the local data sensing or telemetry start with the system measuring the parameters and processing them using a microcontroller to produce a digital data. The nodes will communicate with using a communication system between the area of installation and control room. In the control room, the data will be analyzed, and if the parameter exceeds some value, it will trigger an alert to the user. Now, the conclusion of our project is the flood and alert system using wireless sensor network is important as it deals with flood disaster that happens every year in Malaysia and in many other countries in the world. The flood information will be obtained in real time without delay, and action can be planned earlier as the relocation of the residents and their belongings. Thus, we can save many lives of the people. During the completion of this project, there are some recommendations to be made for better accomplishment in the future. Future studies is required to make this project successful. The most problematic subsystem is data transmission due to ZigBee module is very sensitive and bootloader is easy to crash. It's compulsory to purchase ZigBee module for certified manufacturer and study the behavior on the communication system depot. It is also being recommended to use systems that have the same function as ZigBee module. Also use communication system that have higher communication range between the nodes. Now, more flood parameter can be added to the existing flood monitoring system and alert system to increase its accuracy and sensitivity as barometric pressure, wind pressure, speed of the wind, etc. We are very thankful to present this PPT.